Hi and welcome to Down the Shed. So here we have another bag of stuff from IC Station. Straight away off the bat, I can tell you that this is a metal detector. I actually built one of these before I started the channel, so that'll be fun. I'll have two. You can use this, but like if you put it into some sort of case or whatever, you could actually use it as like a personal body sweeper for knives and shit. But obviously you buy a professional unit, but it could be used for like, I don't know, kids clubs or youth centres or whatever type thing. This is one of those entry chime jobbies. It even came with a battery, which is unusual for China. 2 batteries. Actually, it's got about 3 batteries in there. So it's not usual for them to send batteries in the post, but they have. So that's like an entry chime. This is a, I don't know. It's got a double-ended 3.5mm cable in there. Oh, we'll have to have a look for that one. This is a fibre optic plant type thing. So I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but there you go. That's what it will look like. This is going to be fun. This is a little robot car, so you can see they've obviously given us the line for it to follow. So that's a self-tracking car. Yeah, they send all this, and they can't send one item that I ordered. If you remember my post bags before, I had Spectrum display analyzer in one of the packs. I bought a second one immediately afterwards, which was obviously going to be sent separately. I'd spend over $20 at a time with IC Station because you don't pay shipping. My last order was $30. With my Shed ICS discount code, it came down to $25, and by the time you convert that into British, it's 20 quid. So $30 worth on IC Station. You're going to pay for $25 after my discount code. And then once it's converted into British money, you'll get it all for 20 quid. Happy days. So let's put that back in this bag for a minute. Oh, yeah, I've pulled them. I've done something to my side. I'm getting some serious pains. So that's got a 3.5mm jack end to end in it, and that's got a 3.5mm jack end to end in it. So that is interesting. So let's pull the page up. Come. Oh, there we go. It's okay. I'm in my account. That's me. My orders. Which was the last one? Was that process? Oh, that's yesterday's order. So let's see what's in that. That's a $23 order. So we've got I don't think it's that order. So there's another order I'm waiting for. That's quite a biggie. So in here we have a 4 to 6 volt FM stereo transmitter module, wireless microphone, FM frequency modulation, MP3 transponder do-it-yourself kits module. So that'll be one of these two. Guest greeting sensor switch, which is the proximity entry thing. D2-1 intelligent tracking smart car kit, TT motor, electronic components kit. There's the metal detector. There's the flashing LED optic fiber lamp. So one of these is a do-it-yourself audio spectrum display kit, SMD soldering practice board. So that'll be this one. So that's a spectrum analyzer kit. So I'm guessing, I don't know, I've got loads of things on there. Oh, here we go. So that side, I can't turn the board. Looks like it. So that's the spectrum analyzer, which is obviously going to go through the 3.5mm jack. I have got a double splitter somewhere for that. And that is the FM stereo transmitter module. Again, you don't really need these things anymore, but you could. It's just a kit build. Not as bad as I mean, I can see less point of having this Bluetooth audio amplifier module, to be honest, than I can this. I mean, at least this will plug straight into your car stereo or whatever and play your music. So that's my recent bag of goodies from IC Station. I shall now confirm the delivery. Delivery confirmation. Let's just double check. That was $20. So that was $20.04 in total, which keeps you under the shipping charge. Yeah, that's the one. So we'll confirm that delivery. And that's it for this short video. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and oh, this is my little component trailer, and I'll see you in the next one.